Today we're showing you guys these ski goggles. They come in this little carry-in pouch. So let's open this up, show you guys what they look like and if there's some accessories. Alright. Now, I have reviewed this brand before and I actually have always been impressed with the quality of goggles. They make goggles, glasses, and so much more, and I've always been impressed with them. So this is it. And they do have adjustable straps. And it's not that hard for those straps. You just kind of push down. And then we pull. So it's going to be for the top. We pull the top. For this, we push up. And then we pull for the bottom. And that's how you adjust it. It's that quick. It's that simple. It's that easy. Like, they make it so nice, so easy. And the goggles protect your entire eyes. So the whole way here, it is all protected. It's all sealed off. Like, I can't see anywhere, so that makes it really nice. With these, it's breathable all through under here. So that's all mesh, and that's all breathable. On the bottom here, this is all breathable. This is all breathable. Right in here is mesh. It does make it easy cleaning. All of this here is foam, and this foam keeps, it keeps dust from getting inside, but also it provides you that padding, that soft padding that, after wearing a goggles for a long time, you want. I like the nice thing about these, you can lift them up. So if, let's say you're just, you're riding, you're out enjoying, you can lift these up, keep them on your head, put them down. Again, you can adjust the straps however you want. But overall, they're very nice, guys.